Very slippery that. I don't remember that puddle. Huh?
Pay him off and we're all in.
I keep drifting on my back road. Yeah, go on. Whoa! It's slippery.
Slippery, yeah.
Yeah, and again. I know. Thank you.
Slippery, but.
Very slippery today. It's very slippery. To the left, to the left. Thank you. You can only go so far, and then the bridge is shut.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, you better tell the ladies. You can only go so far, then the bridge is shut.
There's a gate there. They've blocked it off. I don't know why.
There's a what?
There's like a gate at the last bridge,
Oh.
and then you have to turn
I
around.
think they've been doing some dredging or something. on the
Yeah,
canal,
probably.
isn't
It looks like it floods there.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
it? Thank you very much.
No worries. You can get onto the road though if you need to get onto the road up there.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. I was just telling them about that bridge what was shut and they didn't know.
Yeah.
So,
That man I was running, he just went to it over
yeah, I was hoping he'd go a bit further. Oh, look at that on the tree. It looks like a mushroom at the top. Oh, roots. Two secs. It's got a bit there. Get some of this here. My TikTok footage. You're not following me on TikTok, why not? If you're not subscribed to the channel, why not? Alright, let's get this back in dual a minute. And a step.
You can jump in and here. You want to jump back? Is it blocking that one, that part off, no?
Hey, what?
And the tunnel where like couldn't get across.
Should we go see what that is a minute?
Yeah.
Can have a look what these gates are. Oh no, that's all right. Whoa, this is an iron bridge.
Huh?
This is an iron bridge. Don't forget your stand.
What?
There we go. Hang on, Dave. I got an error. E09 code. Yeah, we're gonna have to try turning it on and off again. I got an error.
What number?
E09.
E09.
I'll turn it on and off, see if it's, yeah, look, it's flashing. I've got no go.
Oh, great. You see your motor's gone on your scooter.
Oh, hang on. We go it again.
That single motor. What's that, my scooter's in the way?
Oh, I think the back, I'm sure that's the back motor.
That motor's gone.
Yeah, it is, look.
Yeah, your back motor's gone.
Oh, it has as well, I've only got a front motor.
You have to pay for a fucking back motor, that's expensive, isn't it?
200 odd quid, I think.
Yeah.
That's coming probably down here. Oh, let's get back to the van then. E09, let's yeah, when I put it in single, nothing. I think it was just coming over them steps then. It was fine, and then I come over them steps.
Yeah, but you're going over as well, I think.
But I never put this in single motor, do I?
No, no.
And I put it in single motor because it's quite slippery down here.
Yeah.
And it's been using the back one only.
Oh, so
It's not used to it, is it?
no.
But now we're flashing, look, E09.
I'll look on Google, what do you mean?
Yeah, let's get back to the van while I've got at least the front motor.
Yeah. You can go off now.
Yeah, go on. Oh, I don't know, it's not liking it. It's not liking it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to walk now. It's not liking it at all. I think.
I like your single motor.
Yeah, I think if I keep going on that, it's like it's breaking itself. So yeah, it's getting hot as well. So I'm gonna have to walk this, I think, for a minute.
I'll walk with you anyway.
If I turn this off, right?
I can't really.
We're not too much further anyway, are we?
I don't know.
Let me have a look on the map. So it says where the car's parked.
Well, you wouldn't be able to put your sideway or mine and then go like that. They're too small.
Oh yeah, we're there. The car's there, look. So it's not too far.
No.
All right. I think I'm gonna have to end my filming there, aren't I? Because
Yeah, because if it's gone like that, right?
for now, yeah. Well, we're gonna walk anyway, and I'll see you all soon. Me and Dave are out.
Yep.